This is mad. I didn't know you could do this. You can literally use your iPhone as a microphone for your Mac wirelessly. It's dope. So I've just discovered it and I want to share with you guys. This is how you do it. Check. I was literally, if you guys can't see, I've got a Focusrite, which is my audio device, so I can use my microphone right here. And for some reason, when I'm trying to do this little tutorial in Premiere, like the voice is doubling. This is, I found baffling several times. So I'm going to show you how to ripple delete. But I thought, all right, boom, if that's not working how I want it to work, just to be swift, let me use the internal microphone on the MacBook Pro. Mic check 1, 2. I'm just testing how the mic works. That's cool, obviously, but then you can hear like the shuffling of me using the mouse, or you can just hear like little internal like rumble from the what do you call it, the fan. Although to be honest, it is the M1 and I can't really hear the fan, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I just wanted to get the best sound. But then I saw there was an option to use my iPhone, which I don't know if it's because I've just literally updated to the latest OS last night. All I know is that this is sick because it's better than using your internal mic, so you're not getting like fan noise if you've got an older Mac, or you're not hearing like, you know, you shuffling on the mic or any other kind of sound. And I just think it's sick. That's just something that I discovered, so I just wanted to share. So to get the option, if you open up screenshot, you'll see, obviously you can put it on capture entire screen, as you guys probably would know. Yeah, capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture a portion, but then you can record entire screen, or you can record a selected portion. Now, if you go to options, you'll see that it's not just your internal microphone, which would be, for me, MacBook Pro microphone. I've got my actual iPhone, which I call the iPhone, as a device, and I've got a few other devices. So it's, as I said earlier, my Focusrite Thunderbolt is giving me, it's like doubling the sound, and I don't really understand why, and I can't delete the options in Premiere Pro. But I tried the MacBook Pro microphone, which was not too bad. But then I was like, you know what? Maybe I can get even better sound if I use my iPhone. And I just thought I'd give it a go. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is the first time I've seen that you can use your phone as a microphone. And I think that's pretty sick. So give it a go. Yeah, so guys, I just want to share that as a quick tip because I never knew that I could do that until today. And I've just discovered it from me trying to offer value and just do these tutorials about my expertise within motion graphics, video, photography. We're gonna see. You know, it's early days, but if this gives value to you and you like this tip, then subscribe. And any new discoveries or other stuff related to motion graphics, video, photography, I'll share, and hopefully it helps you guys out. All right, peace.